Welcome back in Arnav's online chemistry classes. In today's class, we'll discuss about a very important question from chemical kinetics, that is expression of the rate constant for a second order reaction having similar concentration. So let's start. एक सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन ले लेते हैं 2A changes into product. Its initial concentration become A and product at T equal to 0, there will be no product formed. After after time T, concentration of reactant changes A to A minus X and product become X. हम लोग जानते हैं as we know rate of reaction directly proportional concentration of the reactant and coefficient raised into power. So it is A to the power 2. Rate of reaction represented by small r equal to K A to the power 2, and rate can be written as dx by dt. K and reactant concentration become A minus X whole square. Now what we need to do, we have to rearrange it. Dx by A minus X whole square and K dt. This is the first equation. On integrating the equation 1, we have dx by A minus X whole square, K constant, and integration of dt. Integration of dx by A minus X whole square, we can write 1 by A minus X. Integration of dt become T plus I. I stand for integration constant. Now what happened when the time is 0, which means no change in time is taking place? Product or change in concentration X will be also 0. Putting these values in equation 2, we can get 1 by A minus 0 K into 0 plus I. So we can get the value of I, it become 1 by A. And now putting the value of I in equation 2, we get 1 by A minus X kt plus 1 by A. Very simply we can perform this, and this can be further written as 1 by A minus X. 1 by A goes into the left hand side, the sign will be changed. 1 by A and kt. Now we have to find out the value for K, so it become 1 by T 1 by A minus X minus 1 by A. This is the required expression for the rate constant of second order reaction having different concentration. A minus X can be written as final concentration, or what we can say, concentration of the reactant after time t. So it is represented by concentration of A, and small a is the initial concentration. So it can be represented as A naught. Now putting this value in equation 5, we have K equal to 1 by T 1 by concentration of A minus 1 by concentration of A naught. So both the form represent the expression for the rate constant of second order reaction having identical concentration. It was very important question for semester 4 generic student, and this is for all types of student, no matter whether they are belonging to NEET or JEE entrance examination as well as semester 3 honors student. Hope you enjoy the class. If you enjoy the class, then you subscribe my channel and make your comments, which is very important for me, and share the channel more and more people. Thank you.